Hi, Geordie Dave here, down at the allotment. I'll give you a quick tour of what we've done. Basically, blew top down, so everything's sort of sorted for the winter. Not much more we can do down here till probably the new year. So I'll give you a quick tour. Alright, you can see we've now topped all the way down to here. We're going to put a path in along here, but at the moment everything is just thick of mud because I say it's been doing no but rain down here for the last couple of days. So we're slowly but surely getting there. That glass is all going to get sorted, stored behind the shed so it's out of the way. As I say, all rubbish is sort of moving up this end now, ready to get taken away. So what we're planning on here is come February, come down here, lift this top, dig it over, and that's going to be sort of beds for this year. Looking at possibly between I've just been looking at a polycarbonate greenhouse, which I may put here. You know, they're about 230 odd quid, so we might look at putting one of them there, and eventually a polytunnel here. So we'll just have to wait and see what the funds are. But that's where we are so far. So thanks for watching, and please thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope everybody has a really good Christmas. You know, considering we're all down in certain lockdowns, but I'm sure everybody will find ways to make it a good Christmas for yourselves. And goodbye from me.